Good morning.
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm doing well, thanks. I'd like to open a bank account.
Sure. Would you like a checking account or a savings account?
A checking account, please.
No problem. Do you have a photo ID with you?
Yes, here's my driver's license.
Thank you. And can I have your social security number, please?
Yes, it's on this form.
Great. Do you have proof of address?
Yes, here's my utility bill.
Perfect. Thank you.
What's the minimum deposit to open the account?
Just $25.
Okay, that's fine.
You can make the first deposit right now if you'd like.
Sure, I'll deposit $100.
All right. Cash or check?
Cash, please.
Thank you. Let me count it. Everything looks good.
Great. How long will it take to open the account?
Just a few minutes.
Will I get a debit card today?
You'll get a temporary card today, and your permanent card will arrive by mail in 5 to 7 business days.
Got it.
Please, fill out this form.
Okay. Should I use a black pen?
Yes, please. Fill it in all caps.
All right.
Don't forget to sign at the bottom.
Oh, yes. Done.
Perfect.
Can I also set up online banking?
Absolutely. We'll help you with that once the account is active.
Awesome.
Do you have an email address?
Yes, it's
Great. You'll receive an email with your login details soon.
perfect. Thank you.
Would you like to download our mobile banking app too?
Yes, that would be helpful.
It's available on both the App Store and Google Play.
Okay, I'll download it later. Can I use Zelle or online transfers with this account?
Yes, Zelle is included. You can send money to anyone in the U.S. instantly.
That's great. What's the daily withdrawal limit for the debit card?
It's $1,000 per day.
That's plenty.
Would you like overdraft protection?
What does that mean?
It covers you if you accidentally spend more than you have in your account.
Oh, that sounds useful. Yes, please.
All right, I'll add that.
What's your branch's working hours?
We're open Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., and Saturday from 9 to noon.
Closed on Sunday?
Yes, that's right.
How can I deposit checks?
You can use the ATM or the mobile app to take a picture of the check.
That's convenient. How soon does a mobile deposit clear?
Usually within 1 business day.
Perfect. What happens if I lose my debit card?
Just call our 24-hour customer service and we'll block it immediately.
Can I get a replacement card?
Yes, we'll mail you a new one within a week.
That's good.
You can also lock and unlock your card through the app.
Nice feature. How do I reset my PIN if I forget it?
You can do that at the ATM or in person at any branch.
Great. Does this account have any monthly fees?
There's no fee if you maintain a $500 balance or have direct deposit.
Okay, that's fair. Can I set up direct deposit from my job?
Of course, just give your employer this routing and account number.
Got it. Thanks.
Would you like to open a savings account too?
Maybe later. What's the interest rate right now?
It's around 4% annual yield.
That's pretty good. I'll think about it. What if I want to close my account someday?
You can close it anytime in person or by written request.
Okay, good to know. Can I link this account to PayPal?
Yes, just use your routing and account number.
Perfect. How can I check my balance?
You can use the ATM, the app, or call our automated line.
Easy enough. Do you charge ATM fees?
Not at our ATMs, but other banks might charge a small fee.
Understood. Can I travel abroad and still use my card?
Yes, but let us know before traveling so we can enable international use.
That's helpful. Does it charge extra overseas?
There's a small foreign transaction fee, usually around 3%.
Okay, that's fine. Do you offer credit cards too?
Yes, we do. Would you like to apply?
Not right now, maybe later.
No problem.
Is there a student account option?
Yes, we offer student checking with no minimum balance.
That's great for my daughter. How long does it take for a wire transfer?
Domestic wires take a few hours, international ones take 1 to 2 days.
Thanks for explaining. Can I get paper statements by mail?
Yes, but most customers prefer e-statements.
I'll go with e-statements.
Smart choice. It's faster and eco-friendly.
Exactly.
All right, everything is set up.
Amazing. So my account is active now?
Yes, you can start using it right away.
Perfect.
Here's your temporary debit card and your welcome packet.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Anything else I can help you with?
No, that's all for today.
Great. Thank you for choosing First National Bank.
Thank you for your help. Have a great day.
You too. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.